Coming back to what happened today, no high-profile deals were announced, military deals, at the end of Netanyahu's talks with Narendra Modi. But this would be in keeping with the disinclination of both sides to avoid talking about defense cooperation, which even today remains largely under the radar.
It would seem the embarrassment caused by India cancelling the Israeli Spike anti-tank missile system less than 2 months ago has been overcome. The buzz is a government-to-government deal will ensure the $500 million deal will go ahead in order to meet the Indian Army's current requirements. This will also ensure the facility set up by the Indian firm Kalyani in Hyderabad for the Spike is not mothballed. Relief all around. Last year, there were some major announcements on the India-Israel front. Last April, India signed a $2 billion agreement with Israel Aerospace Industries. This was for the Advanced Medium-Range Surface-to-Air Missile System. It includes phased array radar, command and control systems, mobile launchers and missiles. Israel Aerospace also committed to more long-range surface-to-air missile systems for India's aircraft carrier. That deal is worth $1.6 billion. Looking ahead, the Indian Air Force is reported to be keen on adding 2 more Israeli Falcon AWACS or Airborne Early Warning Radar to the 3 it currently operates. India remains dependent on Israel for unmanned aerial vehicles or drones. As of last year, India had the largest fleet of Israeli drones in the world, 176, larger than even Israel's. Add to that aerostats, which are balloons tethered to the ground, fitted with cameras and radar that rise to a considerable height. They are ideal for surveillance of border areas. Israeli company Aero-T, which is specialized in aerostats, has tied up with Hyderabad-based Garware Wall Ropes to provide technology, electronics, integration with radar and other support. Other areas where India and Israel are exploring joint ventures are in remote weapon stations, advanced armor solutions and air defense systems. Also, Punj Lloyd Raksha will be making the Taiwo Special Force Rifle in a joint venture with Israel Weapon Industries. The government is evidently hoping the Israeli connection with the private sector will speed up Make in India. Bureau Report, WION.